Hi friends, I'm here to do a video today and we're gonna do the yellow fry words. So fry words, these come from a list. That's why they're called the fry list. Fry words, they're really sight words. You might notice that some of these words are a lot from kindergarten. But our first color contest are the yellow words, and we'll have all different ones. We have blue, we have tan, we have pink, we have green, and we have different contests for them. So let's start with the first one. I'm going to show you the word, see if you can say it faster than me, and I'll try to give you a little clue to help you sound that out or remember it if there is one. All right, here we go. As, will, all, on. Ooh, do you see a tricky E? Remember that makes the A say its long sound? So what would that be? Made, ma-aid. Ooh, another tricky E. What does that do? It pinches the vowel to say its long sound. So what's this one? Make. Go. One. O-N-E, 111. A or a. He. At. Ooh, do you see your digraph? And then a. They. See. Get. And. There's that digraph. The. Has. Come. If. We. Look at that WH. Wa. And then when. Oh, do you see an OW? I know OW is like a crab pinches me. Ow. Down. Oh, TH again. Them. Long. Said. The cow said moo. TWO. Two. WHO. Who? Is there an owl in here? Oh, look at that tricky E. It's going to make the U say its long sound. Use. Other. We have that TH and we know ER says other. Her. ER says her. Oh, I see an OU. Actually, I see OUT. I know that says out. So, out. About. Not. My. Am. Can. That. 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 There's that OU, OUT, ow, and t, out. Oh, two vowels together. So I know that's going to make a long sound, and it's going to say the sound of the first. So E, and then I know CH, ch, each. Number. There's that again. We have number. First, you guys are in first grade. May, look at that AY. Remember we've learned AY and EY, say A. May. Oh, I know that word there. What's ALL? All. I put a C in front of it, call, and I add an ending. Called. Than. Than. More. Many. This is a lot on our morning worksheets. How many are there with like counting and things like that. So let's learn the word many. That's going to help us with our morning work. Many. Water. There's that ER again. Water. His. Oh, I see a word right there. O-R. Or. Put an F in front of it. For. Words. We have lots of words to learn. R. Take away the A. Take away the E. What letter do you have? R. Then. The N. Then. Oh, there's that A-Y. A-Y and E-Y say A. Day. B-Y. By. P-A-R-T. Ooh, if I take away the P, this is one of our specials. Art. Part. Good. Could, because could, should, and would all rhyme. Could. Do. Or. Some. Do you remember a couple words ago we had come? Now this is with an S. Some. Had. Have. Have a great day. People. There's that E-O. E. People. No. To. That T-H. Air. There. And this one with the I means it belongs to someone. Their hair is so long. Their mom is so nice. There. This, or these, sorry, the ease. These. It's. Oh, find. Ind. Nope, that didn't make sense. Find. Of. I. Your. You have the word you and then put an R at the end. Your. This. From. But. Look. Okay, this one's were. Okay, and we kind of stretch it out in school and we say were. And now, remember that O-W and O-U, like a crab pinching you? Ow, now. Was, Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. With, like, how, what, W-H-A-T, what, in, did, there. Now, it looked like one of the other words that started with the TH, but it had an I in it. This one now is there, like over there is the playground. There. Him, Ben. So, which lunch choice do you want? We have wa, I, and cha. This is two separate words. In, to, into. Up, she. Ooh, tricky E at the end. Pinches the I to say its long sound. Time. It. You. Way. A. That A-Y. Would. Would, could, and should all rhyme. Would. Be. Right. Oh, look at that tricky E. The W is silent, so we say right. Right. We're going to be writing in here a lot. And is. Okay, now it's your turn to go practice your yellow words if this is the level you're on. Bye-bye.